Looking for reliable VPS hosting that balances power, flexibility, and affordability? In this video, I'm reviewing Bluehost VPS Hosting. I'll go over what it is, the features you get, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's the right choice for you. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost VPS discount that will get you up to 61% off VPS hosting plus a free domain. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Bluehost VPS hosting discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You may not receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost VPS hosting discount. First, a quick breakdown. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. Unlike shared hosting, where you're competing for resources, VPS gives you dedicated server resources on a virtualized machine. That means faster performance, more control, and the ability to handle higher traffic. Bluehost is one of the most popular hosting companies out there, and their VPS plans are designed for businesses, developers, and growing websites that need more than shared hosting. With VPS, you get dedicated resources, CPU RAM storage, full root access for custom configurations, NVMe storage for speed and reliability, high-speed connectivity using up to 100 Gbps port speed, unmetered data transfer, enhanced security, including DDoS protection, SSL certificates, and regular offsite backups for disaster recovery. 99.9% uptime, multi-server management if you're running multiple sites, 24/7 customer support via chat and phone, and here's what's included. No matter which VPS plan you choose, a 30-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind, unmetered bandwidth, so you don't get capped on traffic, a cPanel license fee included, 2 dedicated IPs for better flexibility, a free site migration tool to make switching over easy. Bluehost offers 3 main VPS plans: Standard NVMe 4 plan, 2 vCPU cores, 4 GB DDR5 RAM, and 100 GB NVMe storage. Enhanced NVMe 8 plan, 4 vCPU cores, 8 GB DDR5 RAM, and 200 GB NVMe storage. Ultimate NVMe 16 plan, 8 vCPU cores, 16 GB DDR5 RAM, and 450 GB NVMe storage. Pricing starts as low as $46.99 a month for the standard NVMe 4 plan. The Enhanced NVMe 8 plan starts at just $65.99 a month. The Ultimate NVMe 16 plan starts at just $94.99 a month. Need a custom VPS plan? You have the option to chat or call to talk to an expert. One of the strong points of Bluehost VPS hosting is customer support. You get 24/7 access to VPS specialists through live chat or phone, which means help is always available when you need it. They also provide proactive monitoring to catch and prevent potential issues before they become serious problems. On top of that, Bluehost has a comprehensive knowledge base filled with guides, tutorials, and FAQs, so if you prefer to troubleshoot on your own, you'll find step-by-step resources to walk you through most issues. Here are the advantages of Bluehost VPS hosting: user-friendly interface, even if you're not super technical. Solid performance thanks to NVMe storage and dedicated resources. Full root access for advanced users, 24/7 support in a well-known, reputable company. And the drawbacks, not as customizable as unmanaged VPS providers. Slightly higher pricing compared to some competitors. So who should choose Bluehost VPS hosting? It's best for small to medium-sized businesses, developers, or website owners who need more power than shared hosting but don't want the complexity of managing a dedicated server. If you're running e-commerce, multiple client sites, or applications that need speed and uptime, this is a solid choice. To wrap things up, Bluehost VPS hosting strikes a balance between ease of use and performance. It's not the cheapest option, but it's beginner-friendly, reliable, and backed by a well-established host. If you want to check out Bluehost VPS hosting, I'll leave my special link in the description where you get a Bluehost VPS hosting discount. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and drop a comment below if you have questions about Bluehost or VPS hosting in general.